In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the Firefox native Mica effect on Windows 11 in just a few quick steps. This is a simple tweak that can make Firefox look more integrated with Windows 11 by enabling the native Mica visual style. If you want your browser to feel cleaner, more modern, and more consistent with the rest of your system, this is a great setting to try. And before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy Windows and browser tips just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 PC. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top and type About Config. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's Advanced Configuration page, where you can change hidden settings that are not available in the normal browser menu. When the warning page appears, you'll see a message about advanced preferences and possible risks. Just click Accept the risk and continue to move forward. This step is completely normal and required before you can edit Firefox's internal settings. After that, you'll be on the About Config page. Now use the search bar on that page and look for the setting named Widget.Windows.Mica.Enabled. Type it carefully so you can find the exact preference. Once it appears, you'll see the value is set to false, the Mica effect is turned off. If it is set to true, the Mica effect is enabled. So, if you want Firefox to use the native Windows 11 Mica look, make sure this setting is switched to true. If needed, you can click the toggle next to it to change the value. As soon as you enable it, Firefox should start using the updated visual style, giving the browser a more polished and native appearance on Windows 11. If you don't see the change immediately, try closing and reopening Firefox so the new setting can fully apply. That's really all there is to it. In just a couple of minutes, you've learned how to access Firefox's Advanced Config page and enable the native Mica effect on Windows 11. This is a great little customization for anyone who likes tweaking the look and feel of their browser. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more helpful videos and share it with anyone else who wants to make Firefox look better on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.